Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to apply for a Goldman Sachs credit card. So if you wish to apply for a Goldman Sachs credit card, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then, a Goldman Sachs Bank USA, a unit of Goldman Sachs, has partnered with Apple to issue the Apple Card, the first consumer credit card for Goldman Sachs. The card offers consumers the ability to earn rewards on everyday purchases, to redeem rewards in many ways, and to qualify for a low minimum interest. Now, the ways to apply for it, you just have to go and log in into your online banking account. And when you actually go to your cards, then you'll be able to find this option as apply for credit cards. You go ahead and press on it, and as you click on it, then you'll be able to see the information regarding the credit card and all that. Go through the terms and condition, and if you wish to apply for it, click on apply now. And as soon as you've done that, you'll be asked to provide in the following information. And next, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and provide an information that has been asked, and you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully applied for the credit card of Goldman Sachs. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.